Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta battery drains quickly and outlines commonly documented reasons why the battery may lose charge faster than expected. Battery drain in the Ford Fiesta can appear as difficulty starting, a weak crank, or repeated dead battery situations, and the behavior may vary by model year, mileage, electrical configuration, and usage patterns. In verified service information and broader automotive data, rapid battery drain may be linked to an aging or weakened battery that no longer holds a full charge, especially after several years of use. Charging system-related factors, such as an alternator that is not consistently maintaining proper voltage, could be a contributing factor in some cases. Electrical components staying active after the vehicle is turned off, including interior electronics or control modules that do not enter sleep mode, may also play a role in certain situations. Older generations may experience this more frequently as wiring, connectors, or modules age, while newer models could still show similar behavior depending on driving habits and accessory usage. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally include testing the battery condition, checking the charging system output, and inspecting for abnormal electrical draw when the vehicle is off. In some situations, updating software or repairing electrical components may be recommended, although results are not guaranteed for every vehicle. From a broader review of maintenance data, battery drain issues in compact cars like the Ford Fiesta are often influenced by short trip driving, accessory use, and battery age rather than a single universal fault. The pattern and frequency can differ widely between vehicles. In conclusion, a Ford Fiesta battery that drains quickly may be affected by battery condition, charging behavior, or electrical system factors that vary by model year and usage. Proper testing is the most reliable way to identify the cause. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.